welcome to my channel. My name is Dainelle and this is my first vlog as a YouTuber. I might make a lot of mistakes, but I'm hoping you guys will always understand. Down below, just going to do the Q&A, so it's getting to know me time. Let's get into it. So the first question is, why did you start YouTube? This is a famous question, I'm assuming, for all YouTubers. For me personally, I like YouTube. It's a great platform to, express yourself, be yourself, make the world get a part of you. And just, I truly believe, say, nobody not come on YouTube and act fake, just be yourself, because at the end of the day, people just like always know who you truly be, For entertainment, I think I can bring value to it, And that's one of my niche. Your niche is really what the content of it is going to be, like what's your aim. And me is to bring entertainment because I'm a whole mood. Second question, why did you choose that name? So I chose the name, keeping it real with Dainelle. I think it's unique in some sense. I wanted it real and I want you guys to keep it back real with me. As long as you want to keep it coming, like, comment and share, make it forever produce. I'm going to make that commitment to always send out consistency and all of that. So that's why I said keep it real, because I will keep it real, period. How the run a vacay treating you. Okay, so okay. My maga, I'm hungry, I don't have nowhere to go. I miss school, I miss my friend them. So how you think it'll treat me? How? What are your hobbies? So my hobbies are, I love to dance. I'm a dancer. I do JCDC for my school and I do speech and drama, so I can act, I can dance. I cannot sing, that's the one thing I cannot do and I wish I could, you see. It's one of my main hobbies really is watching Netflix and chill. The 100. I recommend that to everybody who watch right now. Watch The 100. So why did you become a Christian? For those who don't know, I am a Christian. Maybe you can see it on me. I hope you can, because I like when God shines through his people. Church and feel new, and well, some people want to go somewhere new and start up, but for me, I had friends there, so maybe I would have like comfort there, starting off in a church and support. Then I saw everybody Christian, like when they become successful and comfort is in the Lord and so forth. So I was like, and there was this time crusade and everybody are baptized and so forth, and this spirit literally drove me to go over here and write. So I just say, maybe this is my call, maybe this is God telling me that he has plans for my life and he's ready to take me with him. So I became a Christian, and I don't think that is fully detailed, but I hope you can understand and envision my thoughts then as to what I became a Christian. For the government, Sita, tell us be a pageant question in line up for me. If you were the government, what would you do in the corona crisis? I don't think I would do anything different from what Andrew Holness is doing at Hands Up to Andrew Holness, but I personally think Andrew Holness is doing a very good job and what he's doing and so forth. I support him and I like the packages and all of that. I think he's running it very good, so I don't think I would have done anything different from him. 3 things that you love about yourself. Sorry. 3 things I love about myself. I think I love everything equally. One of the main things I love about myself is that I am very goofy, and that's good because you can't always sad, but then again I'm very miserable. And I think I like those traits because it allows me to express myself to people more and to see who is willing to stay, and keep it real with Dainelle. I love the fact that I am very caring, even though it hurts, but at the end of the day, that's me and I don't want anything to change it, just be yourself. What's your daily routine? I just there me quarantine. I'm in a quarantine, I have nothing to do, but well, I can go to, I go to enough time, like, I just go to talk to my neighbor, them sit down with my friend, them, well, family, come down a friend really around here. Sit down, what I do where? Stay near Netflix, do my IA them, as you don't know, for who know, who don't know, I'm in 6th form, so I have IA, also known as SBA, which is school-based assessment and internal assessment. So you do it for, the Caribbean do it, so just for worldwide confirmation, just us doing an assignment or an assessment that is a part of our end of term exam that, you know, determine where we go next, the next chapter, you know, value and so forth, all of that. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Netflix, and as I said, the 100 because I love the 100 podcast. I recommend it to you. If you don't watch the 100, you can watch it. And you can comment down below on your favorite Netflix movie, you know, because I like to watch what my friends are watching. What's four things you can't live without? I feel like I can't really go too long without my phone, but at the end of the day, I can go 1 whole week without my phone. But you know, I think communication is one of the most valuable things. I always communicate, I always strive to communicate, but I am a bad communicator at the same time. I don't think I have a problem to communicate because I just feel like say, too much talking is not my thing. Device wise, but I love talking, no get joke and all them something they have like a phone, but sometimes I just point blank don't know what to say. Like yes, I'm just get like a yeah, alright, it's cool, emoji. Yes, so that's my thing personally. Another thing I can't live without is my mother because she literally drives me for the things, you know. I'm like, make she proud. So if I don't have she to make proud, I'm just have myself to make proud. I don't really have a drive, you know, because you need some push yourself to make yourself proud. You understand? God, of course, we can't live without God because, you know, He give breath daily, Him I'm alive and make me and so forth. So without Him, I am nothing. Food. Who can go without food and water? What's the best memory I have? I'm a walking memory stick. That not sound right. My IT teacher doesn't know. My whole heap of memory, but if you ask me favorite memory with somebody, then you can get that. One of my favorite memory though. That's a real question to ponder on. Favorite memory? So I don't really think I have, you know, a favorite memory. But my favorite memory with my friends them. When's my birthday? Oh guys, I'm a Gemini. My birthday is next week. Friday. I'm so sorry, I don't know why I'm hesitating because of the quarantine. I legit now my mom's birthday. But it's next week Friday. My birthday is May 22nd. I'm a Gemini guys. So all the Geminis can comment down below. So what's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done? The day I got a blue hole with my friend and jump off at the highest. I don't remember, I think I don't want to lie. So if you don't hear me to lie, please forgive me. I'm a liar sometimes. I'm a liar sometimes. So jump off the last one. I'm telling you, say, it's from a job. Me just after me there, hear me a paddle come down. What in your life do you feel most grateful? I think they're trying to say when in your life have you ever felt more grateful about something like that. One of the things that I'm most grateful for is when I finally settled down in school before examination. CSEC, for those who don't know, is your final examination in high school that they do to determine how much subjects you have obtained and ready to move on to university or sixth form. And then I just feel like not everybody did believe in me, and I got the chance to prove them. I was so grateful for all the prayers I sent up to heaven for God above. And tell him, say, no, say, God, this is my time to prove so much people wrong in life when enough people doubt when them something. You just say, no, I have to push yourself and say, no, I need to prove that's it wrong. I need to make that's it wrong. So, yeah. So, that's one of the things I was grateful for, that I could, you know, make myself strong enough to do it. So, I was grateful for that aspect of my. What would your perfect day be like? Necessarily have an idea of a perfect day, but a meaningful one, because every day is like a life's lesson to be taught. So I think every day kind of perfect for me. Sometimes it might be boring, but you know, sometimes you have to have a rest day. You can't always laugh and then make some lesson. Third to last, don't worry, I'm going to wrap up soon. What is the first thing you would do if you won the lottery? So, because when I give me pageant question, let me do the pageant stand phone. The first thing I would do if I won the lottery, I really don't know because I've never won the lottery before. Telling me the truth, if I won the lottery, well, only that time they could have talked for me. I feel like if I talk now, you know, some people don't have the money and them talk, you know, the most. Theirs is blue and purple, but if I for pick one over the other, it's always blue all day, every day. Well, that is the final question, y'all. I have so much more in store for y'all, so y'all can just like, comment, subscribe, and keep the comments coming for all the things you want me to know, because I'm gonna get it done, period.